Hey guys, this is Roti, and today we are going to be challenging you guys how to think in English in my video. This is the second video, video 2. Anyway, today I'm gonna show you that I will set the specific time right here. You can see I'm gonna set 15 minutes locked in speaking English. No Khmer environment, no other language related thinking environment. So everything would be only in English, okay? And here I have some simple topics you may see. I got the word family here. I got the word myself, and I got the word friends. And also we have the rules to process this video. So here, this is my note. I'm gonna be doing this note particularly by following that one at any cost. One, word endings. Number two, try different synonyms. And number three, I'm gonna be doing the natural grammar. Okay, so before we get started, I'm about to set specific time 15 minutes. And you guys, if you watch this video from the beginning until the end of the video, that would be set or that would be counted approximately 15 minutes long. Okay, so before I actually start doing so, I just want to tell you that this is the challenging video. That means if you watch, you will spend time to think in English with me and you begin to understand why we couldn't be frustrated anymore when we speak English. Why many students keep complaining that I cannot speak English well. When I speak, I become frustrated, I become frozen, I don't have any idea. I think my mouth doesn't work effectively, my mouth doesn't cooperate with me, and I couldn't elaborate my ideas clearly to anyone. What is going on? Okay, today we're gonna be doing that. Simply, ordinary, but anyway, now I want you to do my tricky way or my request. Just click on the button like, comment any idea that you think about the video before I step forward or I move detail in the next minutes, and share the video to other friends because this video will be long uploaded on my YouTube channel, Effortless English with Ready, as you guys have known me before. Okay, so now let's go. I'm gonna click on the button to set the clock. It's supposed to be counting from now. That would be 15 minutes. Let's go. Right. Now the time is absolutely set. Okay, it's already set and we're about to be speaking English together. So you're doing my job, listening to what I'm saying by watching too, and I am going to do my job by trying to explain, elaborating, right, telling you exact thing, whatever about the topic. So my job is that I have to keep opening my mouth saying something that would be related in English. By doing so, you can do that. You can do that thing the same. By watching the video right now, you can maybe enjoy your maybe favorite place, some kind that you can find to keep speaking English to yourself by watching my video. Just do that one because we are not going to waste our time by only watching, but you also can apply your speaking. This is would be known as self-taught. Okay, so now let's get started with the first one. This is like how I train my brain to think in English and how that I challenge myself to speak in English. You can do so. The first point is that myself. So you take a look real quick. You probably think this topic is quite simple. It's not more interesting to talk about. This is not more impressive to take a look. I think this topic is too, like traditional. I don't want to do it. Okay, take a look at me all here. I know that the topic, all of these topics are not quite impressive or interesting, but would be common in use and would be common in our talk. Okay, so all you have to do right now, this is the challenging video. That means you have to accept my challenge and keep opening your mouth, speaking something unstoppable within 15 minutes, and the time is running down. I mean, the time is counting down right now. Okay, we don't have much time. So now let's go with myself. So the easy way to process your thinking with this single topic, what you are supposed to say would be a matter. But however, by understanding the process of saying would be elaborating your idea quite detailed, in-depth details. Okay? So let's see how I do it. Now I take a look at the topic myself. And I take a little bit time to think about this one. And why going to be coming first? I'm going to define the meaning of this word, myself. What does it mean to me, myself? Okay, from my perspective, in my opinion, I think myself, we are talking about some things to ourselves. We always mention something about ourselves. When we do something, we always think about it. That would be the point of ourselves. So I could give you the example to understand that one. For example, when you study English, you possibly think about maybe there is only one possible way that you do. Maybe you have to find a perfect English partner, and then you may have a beautiful time to talk to them. Or maybe you ask them politely to join your conversation, to join your political, maybe your simple talk, maybe. But doesn't work. So that's why we have to speak English by beginning from ourselves, right? From ourselves or from myself. So here, I begin to talk something in English by myself alone every single day. The reason because I do not really have time to ask someone to join my conversations, to join my personal thought, my sharing idea, whatever. So, having ourselves to talk in English, that would be paramount. That would be salient. That would be significantly noticeable, right? Yeah, that's the point. So, overall, or to conclude the point, if you speak English with yourself or if you understand yourself a lot more, I think you will be able to describe, right, to indicate something interesting that you would like to connect. So that's why some people, they still don't know about themselves. When they start learning something, they start searching something, they start finding something, specific objects or clear stuff, right? Clear boundaries of doing something. So they are not 100% sure about themselves, right? So that's why I think myself would be the case to be learnable to all of you. See that? So, see, now the time is counting, right? The time is running down, running out right now. But look, what I'm doing right now is that I'm trying to say anything possibly coming. I do not wait until the perfect idea could be formed perfectly, okay? All I do is just, doing my job, keep opening my mouth, speaking something unstoppable. That's all I can do. So let's go to the second topic. This is like topic number 2, maybe. So, talking about friends. Friends would be the case in general. A lot of people may love making friends, right? May love making friends. You prefer to make friends anytime. And you can see right now in our social connection, or maybe the connectivity in our society would be the case that if you know how to make friends with anyone, I think you will find out different connection or different friendships, and you may learn a lot from different people too. For example, I am a man, right? I am a man. I am eligible to make friends with anyone if I want to. If I go to the coffee shop right now, in Cambodia right now, anywhere in Phnom Penh City would be the best place to find to chill, right? Have some coffee and sit right there making friends. So now I think many people may know me, right? A lot more on my social media platforms, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. So I just want to say straightly and simply that. Let me see the time. Oh, it's countdown, right? I just want to say that making friends is easy. But one point that would be leading to a huge mistake if you don't understand. So making friends would be important to know, like, that's the right friends, that's the right choices that you make with them, because some friends can lead you to the very failed life, and that would be a bad connection with a friend. So this doesn't mean you have to make the discrimination by making friends. No, we have to be wise, by making friends or keeping in touch with somebody or with whoever who can be good with us in a long connection, right? For example, look at this one. How to make friends wisely. I could say, yeah, in terms of your self benefits, this is not selfish, but I would say many people they make friends because they actually want to develop some path of their personal life, personal growth, right? For example, I am learning English right now. I have been learning English for many years, okay? And I think to make friend with someone who can speak English well, who can describe something in English or something that I am looking forward to developing is that English language. So making friend with the English learners would benefit me a lot. So I may choose to do so personally because they're gonna grow me. Think about you guys. I speak English every day, and then you guys make friends with me, and then we can talk. You know, we can speak English anytime, and this is going to give us like extra benefits. All right. So the more you talk English to me, the better you improve your English language. See that? Because I know English, I speak English, you speak English too. We are speaking English all the time. This is gonna be the good connection side by side. I mean, for our own shakes. Okay. Now, you probably understand, right, how to make friends perfectly in this term. Okay, I think this is just only the idea. So you question me like right now, hey, wait, how the idea could be made? You just have simple thought, simple topic like that, but you can make it longer. Guys, this is just only like the try. It's just only like the test that we do to form our ideas. You just focus on the time. Imagine that you have specific times to be going. You can't stop the time, so you have to enjoy telling something that you can. Make sure what are you doing, it would be likable and favorable. All right? So if you don't like the topic, your idea won't be made as well. See, this is the main case. So let's go to the next one. I'm gonna be talking about family. Among friends, among yourself, there would be a main interesting case that you have to take a look. That would be family. Do you think, you know, anyone hates the family? No. Everybody likes the family. Everybody prefers to stay with their family. But yeah, I could say in this point, in general, family is playing an important role to support you, to motivate you emotionally, physically, and financially. Take a look to the reality right now. Many students they have left home for a period of time, maybe for specific years, to continue or to pursue their education degrees, right? If you would like to continue studying at university, you possibly think about family as the main case. Who is the main line to support you? Who is the first front line to support you to study at university? There is no one else. I could say 80% of you guys probably are being supported by your family members, especially your parents, your brother, sister, all right? I mean, family members. Many of them, grandma, grandfather, grandmother would be, they are going to support you all the time. The reason is because you know what? Families, they don't really want to see about their children, their child, their adults, their son and daughters, grandson, granddaughter would be in the trouble of continuing the study. They love to see you grow. That's why they always support you. They always have your back. That's the point, right? For the family reason. So, for example, I could say why family would be known as the base case to us that we actually have the family as the main reason. Look, in Cambodian culture, in Cambodian society, we highly, we highly support, we highly promote the family as the only best thing ever in our society. Without family, without us, okay? Our tradition, our custom, our social norm would be known publicly due to we actually have the family and they actually always with us. So think about the holidays, think about the vacation, who you are going to stay with. I mean, whom do you want to go with? Whom do you want to stay with? If you got a boyfriend, girlfriend, you may go with your boyfriend, your girlfriend. But if you don't have that one, okay, whom do you want to stay with? Whom do you want to enjoy visiting or some kind? That would be your family, your mother, your father, right? Your dad, your mom, maybe your brother, sister, whatever. And this is why, that point that I could say, okay? And yes, As for instance, I believe myself, when I have my free time, I think would be on this the good time or on my vacation or on my holiday. I may prefer going to my homeland to visit my families too, because without family, feeling like it's kind of empty life, that would be the very I could say isolated living style life, and I don't like to do so. And that's why feeling desperate. That's the point. I love my family. See, conclusion. Come to my conclusion. I would say yes, spending time with family or family could be the main reason to engage with, even though we have friends or we have ourselves. But I think we have to understand ourselves first before families. Yeah, because family could be the second reason if we compare to ourselves and other friends. Okay, and I think my topic is coming to an end. See, I keep talking, opening my mouth every single time. The reasons because I just want to make sure I have the very effective time within 15 minutes that I can speak English unstoppable. You guys doing that, imagine that you have the camera like me, that you have set the camera in front of you and you enjoy describing, elaborating, indicating, demonstrating, or clarifying anything exactly about your topic A, B, C, D, E, F. So all you have to do is just remember your note right here. This is my note, all right? You guys can apply that to your personal talk, your self-talk from now on. Do not wait. Wait, who's going to be helping you? No one else, right? You have to take that role and that self-responsibility for your learning English language. And do not think that your English would be well developed by someone is helping you, boosting you, and supporting you. There is no one comes to help you. There are no ones, right? There are no one comes to help you. You yourself. There's no one, right? So look at this my note. Word endings, different synonyms, and natural grammar. This all I do simultaneously when I am speaking. The only reason because all of this are well aware to me when I try to do so, I think I will have the best time to improve my speeches, improve my words, my sentence structures, grammar structure, all together. And now look at to the time is running out right now. It's almost done. We got 20 seconds left, and I think my talk's supposed to be done. Thank you guys for watching. I think we are coming to an end. 15 minutes done. And don't forget to click on the button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share to your friends. And see you in the third video. Oh, it's coming. Wait for that. Wait for that. Okay. Yes. I see you guys then.